Hey everyone, so we've had a great time in Vilnius. The time has come to move on to our next destination. Vilnius Old Town is beautiful. The people have been fantastic again. Being there for Lithuanian Independence Day.
That was so cool.
Was fantastic, yeah, and chatting to locals and seeing how much it meant to them, like seen in the video.
Going for dinner at the TV tower last night, or snacks.
The TV
wine,
tower.
It was great.
Yeah, going down to quirky little Užupis. Republic and seeing all that was amazing.
And now we are at the airport, but we're not catching a flight. We decided to grab ourselves a hire car. So we're going to drive through the rest of Europe for the next few days, taking us to our next destinations, which we will let you know along the way.
Keep in touch and see where we go. But this is our noble steed for the next few days.
It's so cute. Look how cute it is.
All right, let's go.
Bye. I'm not driving.
So we've just driven about half an hour outside of Vilnius, and we've just arrived at Trakai Castle.
Beautiful.
It is absolutely stunning. So unfortunately, because of coronavirus, everything here in Lithuania is now on lockdown, so we can't go inside, but we can have a look around the outside, which I'm cool with actually, because look at this.
It's so pretty here.
It's so spectacular.
We're trying to fall in.
There's the castle.
Beautiful sunny day for it.
When Google says you've arrived at your destination, Neris Regional Park.
Pretty.
Oh yeah!
We've just driven down some scary little track and through Panarai, which is the place where loads of people were shot and killed. So yeah.
And there's a little dog that's yapping.
Pretty sure we are not in the right place. We're going to leave now.
Goodbye, Panarai. So we've just arrived at Kernave Archeological Site. It's quite quiet, even though it's a Saturday. Don't know if everyone's self-isolating. I guess we'll see.
I hope not. We don't know about it. We have no way of finding out.
It's quiet, so we've got the place to ourselves.
But there's a few people around, so
there are a few people, let's hope. So let's go in and check it out.
just here at Kernave Archeological Site. It's literally like Hobbitville.
Hey, we are on our last day in Lithuania. So we have, yesterday we travelled from Vilnius to Kaunas, and today we're having a little explore of Kaunas, just looking around the town, and then later before we head on to our third country.
So we're just about to head to the castle of Kaunas, which is just behind where we're showing you right now. It's another red brick castle. They seem to like their red brick castles over in this part of the world. And as we go around, you should see it just now. So we're here in Kaunas and we've just made our way over to the castle first thing this morning. It was all sunny when we left, and we are now just sheltering.
You can still see blue sky.
Because I don't know if you can see the weather behind us, but it's just randomly turned into like blizzard and snow.
Check this blizzard out.
So we'll be stuck here for a little while. I mean, our accommodation is literally just the other side of that river. We're just going to have to make a run for it at some point. It's crazy how much it's changed. It was all nice and sunny, and we just walked here, and it's like a 15-minute walk, 20-minute walk most, and we just walked up here, turned around, and this happened. Welcome to the Baltics! It is freezing, we just got caught in a hail/snowstorm after coming out in glorious sunshine and walking literally 10 minutes up the road. Can you believe less than like 3 minutes ago we did a video about how there's a blizzard. You can still see the snow in Craig's hair, or the hailstones in Craig's hair, and now look at it. That little blizzard storm's past.
Spring in the Baltics has arrived.
Glorious sunshine. Crazy Kaunas weather.
It's lovely and warm in here.
Toasty.
Let me just show you outside. Bye, old Slobada. Lovely flat.
And on to the next. Let's go. If you like what you've seen, please hit the like button and leave any comments. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you on the next video.